Okay, now all setup is done. I have today tripod and I am shooting this video with the help of that tripod. Okay, so hello everyone, how are you? Good morning. It is morning time and today is a sunny day, and last 2 days ago, 2 days ago, for last 2 days we had rain actually. So now it is okay, clear atmosphere and everything is fine. Okay, so now today I am thinking I am so far from this camera. I am completing today 80 day 1 minute I am taking it near to me, this tripod and this all setup. Okay, 1 minute. Okay friends, now today I am completing 80 day, not 80, 81 day of English practice. Okay, yesterday I have completed 80 day of my consistent English practice, and I have been I have been practicing, I have been speaking English, I have been listening English for last 80 days, and today is 81 day going on. Okay, that camera and tripod is shaking little bit because of here. Okay, so in this video I want to explain, I want to share my experience with you friends, and I have been telling you in my previous video that I was consistent in listening and speaking only. Okay, I started reading and writing, but I quit because of that rainy season. I was not able to bring notebook and this bag with me because of that rainy season. But now rainy season is over, and this is winter is about to start. So now I can bring this book and everything with me, and I can learn, I can read, I can write. Okay, so for last 8-10 days I have started reading and writing too. Okay, what I write sentence structures, those are new for me, and then I write vocabulary. Okay, so I do these things. Okay, and sometime I write uh, what I read in that book, that I write. Okay, so some people are there, they are making noise, they are laughing, that part of exercise. So friends, these are some products which I am using for making video. This is a mic, this is a Granero mic I use for better voice. Okay, I attach to the collar, and one receiver for to that mobile I attach, and then I shoot, and because of that my voice, you can hear clear voice. And uh, this is a tripod, and I am using this tripod. I don't use actually, but I have purchased this tripod many day ago, and today only I have used today this tripod. And this is a OnePlus headphone. I bought this for listening practice. Okay, so these are my products which I use, and if you want to buy this product, I will tag this product to this video. Okay, so you can buy it. Reading, writing, speaking and listening, everything is important when we start English practice, when we start English learning. And observation is again very important. We have to observe where we are lacking, and uh, what part of language we have to improve. Okay, so what happened actually, if we don't focus, if we don't observe ourselves, our English, so we cannot find out how to learn. And so as I said you that I practice speaking with the help of MyCV application. There is one application named MyCV, and I have taken subscription on that application, and I use that application every day. Okay, so while talking with people, someone asked me, are you actually speaking, are you actually learning English only for last 80 days? So that was very good question. Actually, I was not in beginner level already, because I have been learning English language for many years, but I was not consistent in speaking. Okay, so because of that, I am not very fluent and a very expert right now nowadays. I learn tenses, basic sentence structure like modal verbs and WH questions, and passive sentence, active sentence. These basic things I have learned many years ago, but I was not consistent in English. Okay, so that was a mistake. But only this year I am consistent, and only this year I am very serious about learning English. So that is the thing. So already I had a basic knowledge of English. I was able to make sentences, I was able to construct sentence using tenses and modal verbs like that. Okay, so that was the thing, that was the condition of my English language. But 80 days ago I was not that much fluent and I didn't have confidence 80 days ago. So this was my English condition 80 days ago. I got one call, let me answer it. Okay, now it is good angle, sunlight is coming that way from front side, it will be good. Okay, let me set this. Okay, no problem. And while talking with people through that CV application, one boy asked me, he was actually beginner, and he asked me that how should I practice English, and he was not even able to answer me, that his English was very at beginner level. So he asked me that how should I learn English, how what step I should follow, he asked me. So what I have done when I was in beginner level, I used to practice sentences, I used to practice sentence from tense. Okay, tense, there are 12 type of sentences in tense. Present tense has 4 type of sentence, past tense again has 4 type of sentence, and future tense also has 4 type of sentence. So including all sentences, there are 12 type of sentence. Okay, so that 12 type of sentence we have to practice first. This is a basic, this is the base of English language. And again we can practice WH questions, what, who, where, why, all these WH questions. And then modal verbs, should, could, would, may, might. By using modal verbs we can create sentence, we can talk very good, very in good manner. And then passive sentence, active sentences, these all basic things we have to work first on these all basic sentences. If we work when we are in beginner level, so that is a very good start of learning English. Again, while listening, what we do, we listen random videos, and this is not actually helpful. We have to listen only one video so many times. Listen one video repeatedly 10 times and so many times. If we repeatedly listen any one single video, then we get so many words, so and we get so many sentence structures. So that is important. So I have done that. And again now, as I said, practice is going on, I am learning, I am in intermediate level. And why I am saying that, because I took one test, there was one YouTube video, that video was about, we can check while watching that video, through listening that video, we can find out our English level. So I watched that video, one foreigner YouTuber, he made that video, and I watched that video. I took that test and I gave answer, and I find out that I am in a beginner level. So this is my English condition right now. And now every day I am working on it. I am observing, I am finding out where I should work and everything. So everything is going on. And if you are watching first time, then please do subscribe and be connected to the channel and be part of my English journey. Okay, do that, definitely do subscribe.